70% of your immune system lives in your gut. So when your gut's off, everything's off. Your energy, your mood, your immunity, even how you feel every single day. Now, we've all been raised in the antibiotic generation. And there's no doubt that antibiotics have saved lives, but they also killed the good bacteria along with the bad. Antibacterial soaps and personal care products do the same thing. And we have a symbiotic relationship with the good bacteria in our gut. And when we wipe it out, we disrupt that balance. And most probiotics on the market never make it to where they're needed. Stomach acid kills them off before they reach your intestines. So you're really basically paying for dead bacteria that does nothing for you. Now here at Asante Organics, we do it differently with our probiotic floor. It's built differently. 7 live beneficial strains arrive alive and active, protected by a pH balance formula. Plus, it includes FOS. This is a natural prebiotic that actually feeds those good bacteria so they multiply and actually colonize your gut. No fillers, no artificial junk, just clean, targeted support that works with your body instead of against it. Now, if you're ready to get your gut in check, your immune system firing, and your health, wellness, and vitality back, I'd like you to direct message me or reply to the person who shared this video with you. We look forward to serving you.